friends, welcome to Meet His Kitchen. Again we have new session. We are making today Karela, our bitter melon with the Kheema. And I have 500 grams Kheema and 1 kilogram Karela. And also garlic and ginger paste, each of it. And here I have 2 red chili powder, spicy and not much spicy, coriander powder, salt and turmeric. And this is the crust. I have it from the Karelas inside, beads and other things that comes in it. So I like to use it for my cooking, so I have crushed that. So first we will start our oil in the pan. Pan is medium heat, and we will just add a little bit of oil and cook Kheema in it. Now we will add our all dry ingredients. We will add our Kheema in it. Our heat is on medium, and we will let it cook probably 10 to 12 minutes until Kheema gets very good cook. Cooking of Kheema, we will add our this old seed and spicy, bitter gas, all bitter things in it. So that one will cook with Kheema very good, and that we will put it in our Karela. So again we will let it cook like another 10 to 12 minutes. You can see that now our Kheema is well done. It took probably 14 minutes. And there is no moisture at all. So at this point I will turn off stove, and we will let Kheema a little bit cool down. Then we will start our next process. So you can see that our mixture is ready to put it in the Karela. So I have done like almost all of that. So now I have few is left over that I will show you. Like we have to make it like this and put this whole mixture in it as much as it goes inside. And Karela is really very good. Tail is very tight, so we don't have to do overfeeding. Now I have my pan is hot and I add some oil in it, so we will place this Karela as much as it takes. We don't have to add more oil because it will be enough, and if we need it we will add it some more. So you can see that this will fit in the one batch. So we will let it brown until all sides. So friends, now you can see our bitter melon second batch is ready. So I will take it out and we will prepare for the next process now. So now we will start our Kheema process. So I have used the same pan where I cook the bitter melon, and this is couple teaspoon of oil, and we will add our cumin seed. So now we will add our tomato puree. We will let it cook couple of minutes, these tomatoes and cumin. Now I will add the dry ingredients that I have tablespoon of kasuri methi, half tablespoon of salt and turmeric, and each of them red chili pepper. We are not adding much salt because we have added in this while we are making Kheema. And also we have now we will add our dry onion, and that we will let it cook about like 30-40 seconds, and then at this point we will add our Kheema. now I will add about like a cup of water. And at this point we will add our buttermelon too. So now we will let it cook our bitter melon on medium heat, probably like another 8 to 10 minutes. So friends, now you can see that our bitter melon and keema is cooking very well. At this point we will add our all chilies. That really brings nice color, and with the chilies we will let it cook like a couple more minutes and we will dish out. You can see that now our keema and also bitter melon done very well. So I will settle down for a couple minutes in the pan and we will dish out. So friends, now you can see our keema and butter melon Karela is ready, and with a nice all kind of colorful red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, orange pepper. So lot of kind of colors and combinations. But I want to give you good tips about this Karela. My mother was eating very good bitter melon almost like every day in the life, because she was diabetic and she really likes to eat this bitter melon. So that is probably in my gene. I love to eat bitter melon and I don't feel much bitter. And another things about bitter melon that will keep you very healthy, because in 1950s and 40s there was nothing much science advance in our country. So the bitter melon is the best veggies that they were eating, because you can replace with a lot of things with the salt and sugar, but the bitter is just only certain veggies, and such as like a bitter melon you can beat that. So bitter melon is the best for the health and I really love it. This is the healthiest recipes, I believe in that, and please try and apply that. Probably couple bites you will feel like bitter, but overall it will be very good for your health. So until then, we will see you back again in another new recipes, and have a blessed day.